guys, so this is my first day in my dorm room video. I wanted to show you guys just my unpacking of when I first moved in. And yeah, I had my computer set up already. Took forever to set up. And yeah, here I have 2 drawers, 2 dressers, whatever you want to call them. And yeah, that's me showing you guys what I'm drinking. I don't even remember what it was. It just tasted good. Lava lamp and everything, and yes, this big mess. I kept pointing out that my roommate was sleeping, but I wasn't sure, but we all had to be up, so yeah. So this is the finished look basically. I didn't change much. Well, I did change much, so yeah. I cut the video short because I had to be up at 8 in the morning. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do a part 2 to this video. So be sure to subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
In the world of sound. In the world of sound.